Let's talk about some iconic cars, the Ford Mustang and the BMW M3. Both of these though are great daily drivers, but both of these are far from stock. While this lightly tuned Stage 1 BMW M3 by e-tuners makes a claimed 525 horsepower, the Ford Mustang on the other hand, owned by Viral Choksi, has been supercharged and tuned by Autocar India and makes a claimed 650. Both these cars are rear-wheel drive and run some sort of forced induction, are automatic and wear street-legal tires. So will the extra 125 horsepower in the Mustang be too much for the BMW? So, will German precision beat American brute force? As the red lights turned green, the BMW shot off the line with the perfect launch using launch control, while the Mustang with all its extra horsepower struggled to put the power down. The M3 put down an impressive 11.855 second time, nearly 1.2 seconds faster than the Mustang that put down a time of 13.053. Incidentally, when compared to a bone stock Mustang from the factory, this time is just 0.6 seconds faster. So, how much horsepower did the Mustang really have? It's anybody's guess.